In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Google Forms after you've created them. Whether you're new to Google Forms or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to walk you through each step, ensuring you can save your work and revisit it whenever necessary. Let's start by accessing Google Forms. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Forms website. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be confronted with the Google Forms homepage. This is your starting point for creating or editing any form. From here, you can either choose a template or start from scratch by clicking on the blank form option. Once you're in the form editor, begin by giving your form a title and adding relevant questions and descriptions. You can choose from various question types like multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more to tailor the form according to your needs. As you work, remember that Google Forms automatically saves your changes. You'll see a small notification at the top that reassuringly says, "All changes saved in Drive." This feature is great because it means you won't lose your work if you accidentally close the window or if your computer shuts down unexpectedly. Even though Google Forms saves your progress automatically, you might want to direct your attention to organizing your forms within Google Drive. Consider creating a specific folder for all your forms. This way you keep everything tidy and accessible. In your Google Drive, which you can access by going to drive.google.com, click on the New button, select Folder, and give this folder a memorable name, like My Google Forms. Once the folder is created, you can move any forms you've made into this folder for easier access. After setting up your form and ensuring it's saved, you might want to share it with others for feedback or to allow respondents to fill it out. Click on the Send button found at the top right of your form. From this menu, you can share your form via email, a direct link, or even embed it onto a website. These options make it easy to distribute your form to your intended audience and gather the responses you need. Finally, always remember to periodically check your form for responses. You can do this by clicking on the Responses tab at the top of the form editor. Here, you'll have access to all the collected data, which you can view in summary form or export to a Google Sheet for more detailed analysis. In summary, creating and saving a Google form is straightforward once you're familiar with the process. With automatic saving, organized storage in Google Drive, and simple sharing options, you'll find managing your forms effortless. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you feel confident in managing your Google Forms.